Hey guys, today we're going to talk to you about what to expect when talking to a lender. So when we sit down with someone that is looking to purchase their next home, we don't want to be standing in the living room of the next house you want to purchase and then be reactive and talk to a lender after we've found the house. Reason for that is if we have multiple offers we're going up against, most of the time talking to a lender takes about 24 to 48 hours to get that pre-approval letter. We don't want to be behind the eight ball in making an offer because with an offer you need a pre-approval letter. So getting that letter and that process out of the way, and even furthermore, getting pre-underwritten is going to be important for a strong offer. It's important to know that the credit bureau is okay with you shopping around up to 3 lenders. If you talk to a fourth and have a fourth pull your credit or do a hard pull, it's actually going to damage your credit score. So only talk to up to 3. My recommendation personally is kind of like buying a car. You don't buy often the first car you look at. Same thing with lenders. Different lenders are going to have different loan packages, and one lender may not have the same loan package that the other one has. Try out different lenders to see if one has closing costs that are a little more expensive, but maybe they have a lower interest rate. One lender may be more appealing than another. When thinking about the lender you're going to choose, think about 3 things. The first one is going to be the big banks like Wells Fargo's, and then you've got your local credit unions that have different overlays and may be a little bit more relaxed in deciding what you're able to afford. And then you have local brokers that are able to shop up to sometimes 9 to 14 different banks for you at one time as well. That may include the Wells Fargo's and other smaller banks at the same time for you. Also, it's important to know as of filming this that the mortgage applications have actually hit a 40-year low. So it's important to know this because more lenders are going to be more apt to be more aggressive because, again, the applications are extremely low right now, so they're going to be fighting for your business. Last piece of advice that I'll leave you with is communication is key during this process. So no matter who you go with, there's going to be times where we look at houses at 6:30 at night or Saturday morning at 9:30, and are we able to get a hold of that lender to make sure we can update the letter for you to be able to submit an offer. That's a big deal because we want to be very quick when we find the next house for you. If you want to have a deeper dive conversation with us, then we're more than happy to have that conversation with you. As always, reach out to us at DeLisleProperties.com, and remember, with Delisle Properties, luxury always comes standard.